Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to integrate Calendly to system.io. First, go to your system.io account. Then, on the upper part, click on the arrow beside websites. Here you can choose where to put your Calendly, whether on blogs, sales funnels, or digital stores. I will choose on sales funnels. Then just choose on the website where you want to put it. On the left toolbar, click on the page where you want to integrate your Calendly. I will choose order form. Then on the right part, click on edit page. After that, go to your Calendly account. You can add a new event and choose among these options, or you can just choose an existing one. If you now have an event, just click on the share button, then click on add to website and choose among these three. I will choose on inline embed, click on continue. Here, you can change the color of the calendar that will be shown to your website. Once finished, click on copy code and go back to your systemeio. After that, scroll on the part where you want to put your Calendly. Then on the left toolbar, scroll down and drag raw HTML to the section where you want to put your calendar. Then just click on the element and on the left side, click on edit code. Here, paste the code that you copied. Then erase the code with systemeio and click on save. Then click on save changes on the upper right corner and click on the eye icon for you to preview your site. Once you scroll down, you can see the integrated Calendly to your system.io. And now you're done. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon